What is good? What is good? What is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good? Hey, I wanted to take some time out. I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas. I haven't shot a video in a couple days, guys. I'm gonna be honest. My whole household got hit with a stomach flu that took everybody out the game. I mean, literally about 4 days tops, 3 to 4 days tops. Me, my fiance, kid. Everybody except one kid. Everybody except one kid, literally. And when I say it hit us, it hit us. And guys, what I wanted to do here, I wanted to take some time out because I know we have 2020 that is going to be approaching us very, very soon. And we wanted to say, what are you doing exactly right now to get ready? What are you doing as far as your income? As far as creating an additional stream of income, revenue, things like that. What are you doing to make yourself better? A lot of things here that we're involved in, guys, they're strictly to make you a lot of money. So everyone knows that I'm involved in a marketing system, which is called the Conversion Pros, and also Easy One Up, which is an educational platform. And both of those platforms, actually, you're able to earn some very good income with that. Now, a lot of people ask me, they say, Jay, what exactly, are those programs? What do they provide exactly, etc. For you guys that don't know, TCP is a marketing system, which if you have any type of business or any type of, some type of make money online program that you're promoting, and you need something that literally promotes your business 24/7, 365, and that's exactly what the Conversion Pros market, what you're able to do. You're able to create sales letters. So if you send emails out to people, then you're able to pretty much, switch it up a little bit as far as sales letters goes. You like this same video that I'm shooting, for an example, I can take this, put it in a sales letter, and send it out with links on it. So then that way, when someone click a button on there, it takes them to the sign up page where they can sign up for my business. Now, we're not going to be doing a whole bunch of crazy stuff, guys, because like I said, this year, I want you guys to stay focused. So all that program hopping and jumping, you don't make money like that. You find you some good programs, something that's you're able to promote out here and go full force with it. And that's why I said Easy One Up and TCP, you're able to make a lot of good money with that. Because also with Easy One Up, outside of TCP, you get a marketing system. It's pretty much a business in one. You're getting everything, all the marketing tools, from autoresponders to landing page builders to QR code builders, webinar builders, a lot of stuff, guys, that you're getting there. You can even buy leads in the back office. So it makes it very easy for you to buy these leads and then reach out to them and talk to people about your main business. Now with Easy One Up, you're able to make some good commissions with Easy One Up. It's an educational platform. And Easy One Up is teaching you the ins and outs about making money online. It's literally showing you how to literally do it and not miss a hiccup with it. It's showing you how to, different steps. Now, with this program, it's different product levels. So it's a $25 level, an actual $100 level, $250, $500, $1,000, and $2,000. Those are the income stream levels that you can actually make commissions on. And each level has a vault of training that's literally going to show you how to make money online from the basics. So, let's just say the $500 level is something that you choose. You're going to get that plus everything below the $500 level. And if anyone signs up or you go out and you sell this particular package, then guess what? You're going to make that income. You're going to be qualified for that particular income at that level. And that's why I say, guys, you want to be in position for things like that. You want to be aware of that there are programs like that as well. So you're going to get everything. Now, also with the Conversion Pros, you're getting training as well to show you how to do this too. So that's why I say I want to make sure that I touch bases on every level for you to show you how to do this, okay? So if you're looking for a way to make money this year, 2020, then I definitely have a marketing system already for you. I already have everything in place. Then guys, you definitely want to jump in on this, man. This is something where a lot of people are eating good, been eating for years now. And that's why I say don't go keep chasing shiny objects, new program after new program. Then you got to take money from here to keep going here and doing that. Or guys, there's so much you can do. And also, if you don't want to recruit, we also have a Bitcoin program that allows you to earn passive income, okay? Where you just invest, you buy packs, and those packs make you money. You you withdraw it, pretty much, you know, Bitcoin, and you know how it goes. You let your Bitcoin sit. If Bitcoin goes up, Bitcoin makes money. So for all my Bitcoiners out there, I definitely have something, or my investment guys, there's always something out there for you as well if you don't want to do any recruiting. So I look forward to really speaking with you guys a lot more this year. Like I said, we're the goal is to get to that next level and make a lot of money together. And that's what we're gonna do. So guys, this is your boy Jay. I'm out. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Until the next video. Peace.